Chapter 21 of Fight Club by Chuck Palahniuk further delves into the narrator's psychological turmoil and his quest to make sense of his increasingly fragmented reality. As he travels across the country for work, he takes the opportunity to visit bars in various cities, each time searching for any sign of Tyler Durden's presence. It's evident that Tyler has become an elusive figure in his life, disappearing without a trace, and leaving the narrator grappling with the consequences of actions he has no memory of committing. The prevalence of men with physical marks of their involvement in Fight Club, scars and bruises, serves as a stark reminder of the underground network's growth and reach. These visual cues signify the clandestine brotherhood's expansion, indicative of Tyler's pervasive influence. The narrator's visit to a bar in Seattle marks a critical point of self-discovery and confusion. A bartender, donning a neck brace, possibly from injuries sustained in Fight Club, greets him with a familiar, "Welcome back, sir," suggesting the narrator's prior visit that he has absolutely no recollection of. This revelation shakes the very foundation of his understanding of himself, as the bartender not only acknowledges his previous presence, but also possesses intimate knowledge about a birthmark on the narrator's foot, a detail he's sure he's never shared. In a state of desperation and seeking clarity, the narrator reaches out to Marla Singer. His interaction with Marla opens up a floodgate of revelations that challenge his perception of reality. He inquires about their sexual history and her life-saving moment to gauge the extent of his memory lapses. Marla's confirmation of their sexual encounters and his heroic act of saving her from suicide confronts him with a reality that he's been oblivious to. The climax of the chapter, and perhaps one of the pivotal moments in the novel, comes with the narrator's query about his own identity. Marla's response, identifying him as Tyler Durden, thrusts the narrator into a profound identity crisis. This acknowledgement forces him to confront the possibility that he and Tyler may not be separate entities but manifestations of the same person, a realization that upends everything he believes about himself, Tyler, and the world they've created. Chapter 21 thus serves as a critical junction in the narrative, bridging the gap between the narrator's fragmented perception of his dual existence and the reality of his actions as Tyler Durden. It's a moment of unnerving clarity that sets the stage for the ensuing unraveling of his identity and the implications of his and Tyler's intertwined existence. Before you go, if this video was helpful to you, please leave a like on the video and let us know in the comments what book you would like us to make a video on next. Thanks for watching. This has been another Bookly Crash Course.